In the world of gaming, that's why having the right gaming keyboard is essential for maximizing your gaming performance. With a myriad of options available, choosing the perfect gaming keyboard can be a daunting task. From mechanical switches to customizable RGB lighting, each keyboard offers unique features tailored to enhance your gaming experience. Join us as we explore the top 10 gaming keyboards, renowned for their precision, durability, and innovative designs. Number 10. Fnatic Streak. The Fnatic Streak is a gaming keyboard designed with the needs of professional gamers in mind. Featuring cherry mix switches, this keyboard offers tactile feedback and responsiveness for fast-paced gaming sessions. Its customizable RGB lighting allows users to personalize their setup, while the ergonomic wrist rest ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. The durable construction of the Fnatic Streak ensures longevity, making it a reliable companion for intense gaming marathons. With its sleek design and high-performance features, the Fnatic Streak is a top choice for gamers seeking precision and durability in their gaming peripherals. Number 9. Glorious Modular Mechanical Keyboard. The Glorious Modular Mechanical Keyboard stands out as a versatile and customizable option in the realm of gaming keyboards. Its unique modular design allows users to easily swap out switches to suit their preferences, whether it's Cherry Mix, Gateron, or other compatible switches. With customizable RGB backlighting, users can personalize their gaming setup to their liking. Despite its minimalist appearance, the GMK boasts a sturdy build quality, ensuring durability even during intense gaming sessions. Offering a blend of functionality and customization, the Glorious Modular Mechanical Keyboard is a solid choice for gamers seeking flexibility and performance in their keyboard. Number 8. Ducky 1-2 Mini. The Ducky 1-2 Mini is a compact mechanical keyboard that punches well above its weight class. Featuring a 60% layout, it maximizes desk space while retaining essential functionality. Equipped with high-quality cherry mix switches, users can expect reliable and responsive keystrokes for both gaming and typing tasks. Its minimalist design is complemented by vibrant RGB backlighting, customizable through Ducky's intuitive software. Despite its diminutive size, the 1-2 Mini doesn't compromise on build quality, boasting a sturdy construction that ensures longevity. While its lack of dedicated arrow keys and function row may require some adjustment, making it a favorite among gamers and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. Cooler Master Make 850. The Cooler Master Make 850 is a premium mechanical gaming keyboard that offers a plethora of features tailored for enthusiasts. Boasting cherry mix switches, it delivers satisfying tactile feedback and durability. Its standout feature is the aimpad technology, which introduces analog control to select keys, enhancing precision and immersion in compatible games. The Make 850 also dazzles with customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their setup to their heart's content. Moreover, its sturdy build and magnetic wrist rest ensure comfort during prolonged gaming sessions. While its price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, the Make 850's exceptional performance and innovative features make it a top contender for serious gamers seeking a cutting-edge keyboard experience. Number 6. Asus ROG Strix Scope Rex. The Asus ROG Strix Scope Rex stands out as a formidable gaming keyboard that prioritizes performance and precision. Featuring Asus Rex Red optical mechanical switches, it delivers lightning-fast response times and smooth actuation for competitive gaming. Its compact design, with an extended stirl key, caters to FPS players, ensuring quick and accurate commands. RGB lighting customization adds flair to the sleek, brushed metal frame, while the ergonomic wrist rest enhances comfort during marathon gaming sessions. Asus's Armoury Crate software provides intuitive control over lighting effects and key mappings, offering a tailored experience for every user. With its blend of cutting-edge technology ergonomic design, and customizable features, the ROG Strix Scope Rex proves to be a worthy companion for gamers seeking an edge in their gameplay. Number 5. HyperX Alloy Elite 2. The HyperX Alloy Elite 2 emerges as a standout option in the realm of gaming keyboards, offering a blend of performance, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Boasting HyperX Red mechanical switches, it delivers responsive and reliable keystrokes, suitable for both gaming and typing tasks. Its solid steel frame ensures stability and longevity, while the detachable wrist rest provides ergonomic support for extended gaming sessions. RGB lighting customization adds a touch of personalization, allowing users to create immersive gaming environments. With dedicated media keys and a convenient USB pass-through port, the Alloy Elite 2 offers convenience and functionality without sacrificing style or performance, making it a compelling choice for discerning gamers. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro asserts itself as a pinnacle of customization and innovation in the realm of gaming keyboards. Featuring SteelSeries proprietary OmniPoint switches, it offers unparalleled levels of adjustability with customizable actuation points, catering to individual preferences and gaming styles. Its aircraft-grade aluminum frame exudes durability and elegance, while the customizable RGB lighting adds flair to any gaming setup. The inclusion of a magnetic wrist rest enhances comfort during long gaming sessions, while dedicated media controls ensure convenient access to multimedia functions. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, premium build quality, and extensive customization options, the Apex Pro stands as a top-tier choice for gamers seeking the ultimate keyboard experience. Number 3. Logitech G Pro X. The Logitech G Pro X sets a new standard for professional-grade gaming keyboards with its exceptional performance and versatility. Featuring Logitech's proprietary GX switches, it delivers swift and precise keystrokes tailored to the demands of competitive gaming. Its compact and durable design makes it ideal for both desktop and travel use, while the detachable USB cable adds to its portability. The inclusion of customizable RGB lighting allows users to personalize their gaming setup to their preferences. With its sleek aesthetics, tournament-grade performance, and customizable features, the G Pro X solidifies its place as a top choice for professional gamers and enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum commands attention as a premium gaming keyboard that excels in both performance and aesthetics. Equipped with Cherry Mix switches, it offers exceptional tactile feedback and durability, ensuring a satisfying typing and gaming experience. Its aircraft-grade aluminum frame not only lends durability, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any gaming setup. The inclusion of dedicated macro keys and customizable RGB lighting provides gamers with ample tools for personalization and efficiency. Furthermore, the detachable wrist rest enhances comfort during extended gaming sessions. With its combination of premium build quality, advanced features, and striking design, solidifies its position as a top contender in the high-end gaming keyboard market. Number 1. Razer Huntsman Elite. The Razer Huntsman Elite stands out as a premier gaming keyboard that delivers unparalleled speed and responsiveness. Featuring Razer's innovative optomechanical switches, it offers swift actuation with a satisfying click, perfect for competitive gaming. Its sleek and durable aluminum frame not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures long-lasting performance. The Huntsman Elite's customizable RGB lighting, coupled with Razer's Synapse software, allows for endless personalization options to match any gaming setup. Additionally, the plush leatherette wrist rest provides comfort during extended gaming sessions. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports enthusiast, investing in a high-quality gaming keyboard can significantly elevate your gameplay. These top 10 gaming keyboards provide the perfect combination of performance and style. So take your gaming to the next level. Thanks for watching.